So now let's take a look at app permission settings. So to access app permission settings, first of all, you have to go to start menu right here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go into settings right over here. So from settings, what we can do is we can go to the privacy option right over here. So I'm just going to click over here, and here you'll be able to find all the app permissions. So right now, if you were to go to general permission right over here, you can see let app use advertiser ID and so forth. So you can enable and disable permission is here. But we're going to go into the device permission. Let's say, for example, location. Right now, the location permission is on, and you can even enable and disable individual location permission for apps. So for example, for 3D viewer, it's turned off. For Cortana and maps, it is turned on. Maybe you want to turn it on for the weather as well, so that it can actually take your location right over there. So another thing you can do is you can see enable and disable the location of the camera as well. And for each of the permission that is allowed, what happens is that it is actually available over here. So this is the master permission controller right over here onto the top, and over here, if you were to turn this on, over here on the bottom, you can continue. You can enable and disable individual. You can enable and disable individual app permissions just like this. So you can go and enable and disable for microphone as well, and depending on the app you use, you may want to provide the permission or not provide the permission. For example, if you're using for Skype, for voice recorder, you do need the microphone for it to work, but for something like Adobe XD or 3D viewer, you might not want them to access your mic. Same goes for the notification. You can turn on and off notification for each and every app that you have. Also for the account information, you can let the app access the account information. You can let the app access the calendar, phone calls, call history, email, and so forth. So just like that, you can let the app enable, access or not access each and every one of these information right here. So that is how you work around with letting the applications access the permissions from Microsoft Windows. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.